Lay me down tonight. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at, everybody. So basically, bearish on the 4 hour, bearish on the hourly. So now what I'm looking for is some sort of liquidity sweep. So we have this pre-market liquidity sweep here. Now what I'm looking for is some sort of rebalance. So I'm looking for this liquidity right here to get swept. And after that, you could see some downside here with this big engulfing candle, big bearish engulfing candle here, screaming bearish. So what I'm looking for is this liquidity to get swept and for us to go even lower. So we'll have to see what happens here. Like I said, pretty bearish. And what I'm going to do, is, since I've been failing combines over and over and over, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna start to paper trade, but I'm gonna be trading like, oh, hold up, just put combine. Okay, hold up, combine. I'm gonna act like this is a 100K combine account, and I'm gonna be trying to pass it. Okay, and I'm gonna do that a few times, and I'm gonna see if I can pass it every time. And once I start passing it, I'm gonna go and go on a real one. Yo, what's good, Six? Bro, your new series has me on the edge of my seat. You're so excited to see your progress. Thank you, brother, man. I appreciate you. Yeah, bro, this progress is gonna take a long time, but it's going to be worth it at the very end of the day. Thank you, brother, man. Appreciate it. Dang. Hold up. Give me 1 second. I literally just woke up. I haven't checked my phone or anything like that. So, but yeah, bro. Like I said, we're bearish overall in the higher time frame. 4 hour bearish. 1 hour bearish. So right now, I'm looking for some sort of liquidity, some buy side liquidity that to be swept, because this could have been liquidity sweep up here in line with the hourly. Now what I'm looking for is some sort of liquidity sweep here, higher time frame imbalance, and for us to go even lower. So that's what I'm looking at right now. But excuse me. We'll see what happens here. We have this order block here. We do have like this sort of breaker here. If price can come up to and tap that would be crazy. But right now we just stay patient and just look at the markets and see what it wants to give us. But we do have news. Or do we have news? What's today? Thursday? Oh, news already happened, but we just have FOMC people talking, so we should be fine. I want price to come up, tap this sort of this higher time frame imbalance for us to go even lower. It seems to be the next internal draw here. Lay me down tonight. If we can sweep this, form some start. If we can sweep this, form some sort of structure to the downside, that would be ideal. We'll see what happens here though. We are tapping into this 5-minute here. Dum, bum, dum. Seems like an overall consolidation, no clear order flow. Exactly. So right now we're starting to consolidate here, so just in this typical range, but we finally broke out of it, kind of, after sweeping these highs and tapping this hourly imbalance. We have some sort of validation for us to go shorts after sweeping these highs and tapping this hourly fair value gap. So like I said, I'm pretty bearish. We were consolidating in the morning a little bit, but we had this push up, tap the hourly. So okay, we just got done sweeping these highs. So right now what I'm waiting for is some sort of market structure shift, and I'm looking for like a market structure shift to the downside and then fair value gap, etc. Yo, what's up, engineer? What's up, brother man? So let me see where London. So we swept London high and London low. So the objectives for London highs and London lows already been taken out. So I'm expecting these draws. So let's see what happens here. Looks good though. We expected this 15-minute fair value gap, liquidity sweep. Tapping this CE of the wick. This is screaming bearish to me right now. Market structure shift, value combo elite. Yeah, exactly, bro. It looks great. And CE of the wick also. So it's like amazing right now. It looks great. Usually the first move is always a fake out. Like I said, you need to see more form of structure to validate shorts here. Yo, what's good, Danny? Or Dan JI 3D. What's good, brother man? See what happens here. I don't see any reason for us to go bullish, except that we tapped this 4-hour imbalance here. But then we came back down. We could see some bullishness, but at the same time, market structure shit to the downside here. And after sweeping these highs, we shouldn't see any higher, to be honest with you. Let me see. If we can get a market structure shift, that would be crazy. We do have bearish SMT here. So ES did not sweep, NQ did not sweep that high, but ES did. So right now we have some sort of bearish SMT here. NQ is definitely a lot weaker than NQ is definitely a lot weaker than ES. So that's also a good sign here. SMT divergence. And plus we have this engulfing candle here. So that's a very good sign. ES also in this 15-minute imbalance. But ES right now on the hourly is bullish. So, but at the same time, it could have just came up and tapped this hourly imbalance. So, right, like I said, I'm still bearish. Bearish SMT. Give me 1 second. Alright, sorry about that. I was on the phone. Okay, so we have bearish SMT, market structure shift to the downside with the candle closure. Now, if we can get a fair value gap here on the 1 minute, that would be amazing. So we do have this a tiny little fair value gap here. So what I'm looking at is, yeah, this is literally it. Buy side swept, see eve the wick, points of reversal, bearish SMT, market structure shift. This is a very clean setup in my opinion. So okay, now we don't have a fair value gap anymore, but it's all good. Let me see if we have like a. We're tapping to this 5 minute here, which I'm not really too worried about. I'm like because we're bearish overall. We're very strong bearish. I'm not really too worried about that. Let's see what happens here. Points of interest is these lows down here. It's definitely these stackable lows down here. That's the point of interest in my opinion. Next draw, and then these draws down here. Like I said, we just waiting still. So nice candle rejection here for sure. I want to see some sort of. This is basically an order block here, or a breaker. Like I said, we should see some downside here. Who knows? We might not even get an entry here, to be honest with you. So we'll see if like this. Okay, there we go. It's coming back up. Form more structure wise, and then see some downside here. Oh, I have work later today. Damn it. No, I'm playing. I have to work, bro. I have to. Let me check. Yeah, I work from 6 to 11 today. Nice rejections right now we're seeing. Yes, exactly. We're rejected. We're coming up and we're just rejecting with a large wick here. So right now it's kind of screaming bearish, you know what I mean? And we never broke structure to the upside on the 5 minute either. So we're overall bearish. I'm just looking for some sort of like right now we could enter off this order block if we wanted to. Honestly, I think I might enter one contract. So I don't like miss out on the entry. So I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm gonna take one contract here, and then I'm gonna put my swing low above this high. And this is my main target. If we see more confirmation to the downside here, I'll look to add more positions. But as of right now, I'm going to enter off of this position here, and would want to see. Oh, I want to put my stops above this high. That's my realistically my stop, and then I'll look to add more as we come down, because we do have this order block here. We'll see what happens here though. So with your combine account, do you get profits? You only get profits after you pass the combine. So there's a certain level you have to pass before you're gaining profits. So like you have to so basically you get a combine, you pass that, and then you have to pay another fee and then once you pay that fee, you can start getting payouts. But you have to. There's a set of rules and everything. You going to the gym later, still before work? Yeah, 100%, bro. I have to. Like, suck in the matrix, bro. But I just have to hit the gym. Like, I have to. This is a nice rejection so far. What the heck? How do I get rid of this? Oh. We'll see what happens here. What are you hitting today? I think I'm hitting chess. A nice little chess day, bro. Woo! Nice little chess day. Honestly, I'm excited. I hit legs yesterday, bro. My leg day was not the best yesterday, so hitting some chess. Gonna try to bench 225 type shit. But other than that, some chess, you know. Drink some pre-workout, but I think I have to deliver because my sister forgot her snacks, and today's her snack day, bro. And I have to go bring that to her too, bro. It's a lot. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, I have to bring that to her later. So we're in profit now. That's good. It's just showing some good signs of rejection. Chess day. If you catch this W fire day to me. Exactly. Hopefully, this looks good though. That's the thing. It looks very good in my opinion. 15-minute imbalance tapped twice, and then CE of this wick. Market structure shift to the downside here. So it looks great. Stops is where it's supposed to be at on this liquidity sweep up here, but price can always come back up here. We'll see what happens here. It looks great though. There's just no fair value gap to the downside, which is unfortunate. Entered off this sort of order block. We didn't get a candle closure above this order block, so that's still very prominent. The only thing I'm seeing is nothing really. The only thing I'm really seeing is that we tap 50% of this fair value gap here, so that can see some upside. But at the same time, this still looks very good. Fulcrum, come on, yo, Yodi gang, fader than a hoe, fader than a hoe, fader than a hoe. Exactly, bro. I used to say that word a lot, fader than a hoe. We'll see what happens here. Looks like we might get stopped out here, to be honest with you. Let me see. Still looks pretty bearish. We just wait, to be honest with you. Never mind, now fine. I don't like how this candle's rejecting right now. I remember you say. But hold on, I gotta put some music on, bro. Non-copyright music. Price action is very slow right now, that's for sure. We just wait, bro. Faded then out. Faded then out. Wow, price action is so slow right now. Like realistically, we could have waited for more confirmation, but at the same time, at the time, it was very compromised that we broke structures to the downside, but we don't have any fair value gaps to the downside, but we do have this order block here. So might get stopped out here. Seems to be very bullish right now, but ooh, nice candle rejection. We need to break structure here. Oh wow, we almost get stopped out and then price dumps. But we're still in drawdown, so if we can get a market structure shift and break and fair value gap, that would be crazy. I'll look to add another contract if we do that. We're about to break structure to the downside again here. In the next 20 seconds. If we can break structure to the downside, that would be very prominent for shorts still. That was a nice rejection for sure, though. See what this candle does in the next 3 seconds here. Looks great, though. Okay, we never broke structure. Oh, we kind of broke structure to the downside. If we can create a fair value gap here, I'll look to enter a another position here. Oh, wait, it looks like we don't have a fair value gap here also. Looks like we just keep waiting, bro. PA so whack right now. News at 10, but it's slow because Powell's speaking later. Yeah, I know we have later. We have news later, but it's not even Powell speaking. It's literally his members that are speaking. So it shouldn't really affect the market. I mean, it's going to obviously, but let's just cash this banger, bro. Finally, a market structure shift to the downside, so that's good. There we go. There we go, boys. Finally a profit. Price could go up. Just have the zoning. What zone? There we go. I like to see this. If we can create, like I said, another fair value gap, I'll look to enter off of that. But as of right now, it looks good for more downside. This seems to be the next draw. I'm very confident of price coming down to this draw since we're so bearish still. Yeah, we're not having any sort of minute for value gaps. That bullish candle was not fun. Price could go up. Just tap the zone again. Oh, wait, quick W today, bro. I'm done. Good shit, bro. Congrats. The resist, bro, where your stop is moving a bit swing low, but over low the last. Oh. Okay, we got. Okay, hold up. I don't know why it's not loading. I don't know why it literally just didn't, like. Hold up. It's like TradingView is bugged out, bro. That is crazy. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold up. I didn't. Wait. What news do we have? Bro, what is happening? Bro, TradingView is so bugged, bro. It's so bugged. I can't even cancel my order. TradingView is so bugged, bro. What news do we have, though? What the fuck? What is happening? Hold on, let me make the math correctly really quick. What news do we look? Listen, I'll show you guys my my thing right now, man. Like, what is happening? Like, bro, so today's Thursday, right? Or April 3rd. Oh, what the heck? Is today Wednesday? Oh my god. Guys, I thought today was Thursday. I literally thought today was Thursday, and I was looking at this. I literally thought that today was Thursday, and I was looking at this, bro. I didn't even realize it was Wednesday today, bro. I'm a fucking idiot, bro. I didn't even realize today was Wednesday. I thought it was the 4th, bro. Oh my gosh. Okay. What is this? Bro, it's so bugged, bro. Let me tell you. Oh my goodness. It's so bugged. It's literally so bugged. I thought today was I literally thought today was Wednesday. Bro, what is happening? I am not clicking any of these buttons, bro. What is happening? I gotta fix the math, bro. Hold on. So I lost 75 ticks. So what is 5 times 75? 375. So 100 minus 375. Hold on. Let me fix this math really quick. So realistically, I would have lost. Let me fix this, bro. Bro, dude. I literally thought today was Wednesday. This was what I would have lost if our stops would have just played out correctly. By the way, I didn't realize we had, like, I thought that it was Thursday, and I didn't realize we had the PMI. So that is my fault. I forgot. I didn't even look. I looked, but I didn't realize it was PMI. Same thing happened to me. Yeah, bro. I literally did not even know. You need to be aware of this, bro. Yeah, I know. I swear I thought today was Thursday, bro. Oh my god. I thought today was Thursday. Lost 600. That is crazy, bro. I lost yesterday because of the same shit. Why would you trade it? No, cause no, like I said, I thought today was Thursday and news on Thursday it didn't have any news until like 11. So that's why I traded. Damn, human error, bro. It's fine. We moved. Don't beat yourself up about it. Yeah, I know. I'm just shocked because I didn't even realize today was Wednesday, bro. Wait, go back to the calendar. I didn't see the news. Here, I'll show you. So I thought, because like at the time, there was no green arrow here, so I didn't see this green arrow either. So I'm like, okay, I thought today was Thursday because I just thought today was Thursday. To be honest with you, I'm actually stupid. That is crazy. I was so confident in that trade too. To be honest with you, I was so confident. I didn't realize. Okay, well now that we're very bullish here, um, we have Powell speaking and everything else. So other than that, bro, like this is terrible. Like this is I didn't realize that. It's all good though. I didn't even realize it, bro. Okay, after sweeping this high though, you could see some shorts, but I love it and I hate it at the same time. Oh, that's I was like, I look and I'm like, what is happening, bro? Straight up candle here. Oh my god, my arm hurts. I'm like sore. Mm, 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 mm. I spent so much money on food last night, bro. Hold up. 65 divided by 4. Wait, 65 divided by. I literally forgot to. Hold up. That is crazy. Just straight candle news. It's not showing up. You have to be on Forex Factory. Well, I use Forex Factory. Even with news out, I would have liked to see more bearishness, to be honest with you. But it's 3. No, 65 divided by 3. Oh, bro. Hold up. It's in it. For some reason it wasn't showing. It was there, but I thought today was Wednesday. So, or I thought today was Thursday, bro. I'm like out of it. Yeah, bro. I mean, it showed up for me, not for you. Yeah, no, like it showed up, but like I thought today was Thursday, so I didn't even look at Wednesday's news. That's what I really meant. But it's fine. We have buy side here. So it will sweep buy stops, then reverse again. Yeah, like we have this buy side up here. I just want to see a market structure shift or some sort. Higher top, higher time frame imbalance. Now this looks very prominent for shorts. Jump in your There we go. Some nice bearish reversal reaction here, finally. Still pretty bearish though. News went crazy. Exactly. News just shot up about 100 points, bro. 100 fucking points, bro. Let me see. Yeah, literally 100 points, man. Shorts look good right now, but I might take another run higher before going lower. Exactly. Yeah, they look good right now. Because, like, right now what I'm looking at right here, buy side is swept. Tap the higher time frame imbalance here. Also in a 4-hour fair value gap now. And then, yeah, it looks great for shorts still. News just pumped news higher, stopping all of the short sellers here. And now we could see some more downside here. Yes, yeah, exactly. So after news happened, what I'm looking at is we're bearish on the lower time frame. So what I need to see is some sort of market structure shift on the higher time frame to validate these shorts. Because right now, after news happened, we had a big push up here, invalidating everything, having a market structure shift. And now what I'm looking at, oh, I did not mean to do that. Hold up, I accidentally exited out my trading view. There we go. What up? I actually exited out my trading view. So basically now, waiting for like a higher time frame market structure shift to the downside. So entering a 1 minute here would not be valid because we literally we need to see more structure form. So right now we just wait. Just wait. Chill like a villain. Drove like almost 3 hours yesterday, bro. Coming back from Oklahoma City. Overall, everybody there's like rich as fuck though. We might consolidate to us. The news already happened at 8:30. Powell speaks today. That is very true. We do have Powell speaking later, so I'll just see what happens. And NFP week. Yeah, we have lots of high impact news. Oh. Is it good to use pre-market charts? I feel I miss out on those 1 big 2% instant gains when I don't use it in market open. Thoughts? What do you mean? Like you don't use pre-market charts? Like do you not look at the pre-market like analysis? Is that what you're talking about? Hold up. I apologize, everybody. ICT says to leave by Wednesdays on NFP weeks. Yeah, but I kind of just still want to stream and show, like, even if we do lose, I kind of just want to like my analysis overall. You work today? Yes, I do work today. I work at 6, and it's only 9 o'clock right now. But my dad needs me to do a whole bunch of other shit, so I gotta do that too. Yeah, pre-market analysis. Is it worth using pre-market charts? 100%, absolutely. How are you go? So let's say, how are you going to figure out an idea of where price wants to go if you don't use pre-market charts? So like, let's say you don't see any of this, right? I can't even show you. Hold up. Okay, hold up. Let's say you don't see any of this. You don't see half of this side from here. From this candle here to you don't on the left. You don't see half of it. You don't see all of the sides over here. How are you going to form that price is going up? You know what I mean? You need to use pre-market analysis always. In my opinion, yes. Gus, I use ICT. You need pre-market analysis. And either the algo begins to search for nearby liquidity, aka swing highs, swing lows. Yes, external draws and internal draws here. So after the stream, you should do market reviews separate from the vlogs. It'll be additional content that will bring more attraction to your channel. Yeah, so I plan on doing that. But then yesterday I put the whole video of me doing my trade recap from yesterday's trade recap to my vlog, so it will make it longer. So yeah, I think I might start doing it like separately. But I don't want to post 2 new videos every single day. That's why I just put the trade recap in the vlog. So it just be 1 video. But I do see where you're coming from. Just took a fat W up $883 in a day. Good shit, bro. Did you take that long? I don't think I would have longed here, to be honest with you. Like, even if it didn't even come to discount area, the range, like longing up here would have been super like very scary for sure. Because if you, let's say you longed here, right? But then we have this other imbalance here, and we weren't even discount. So where would you put your stop loss? Like, let's say like you long here, right? Stop loss is like here. You're risking about 37 points, which is pretty high. Because I see some YouTubers like James Rich Young not use pre-market charts. He trades with a massive gap open. I guess everyone is different. I mean, like, I guess like if you do this is the gap right here, a gap open. Oh, let me just put on the 15-minute. Like, this would be the big gap open right here from here to from down here. This is the gap right here. Oh, auto trade SC. I was just risking 10. Oh, I got you. That's a W. 3-1 is amazing, bro. Good shit. Damn, I miss when we were young. Life was so much easier. To be honest, I'm gonna have to end the stream a bit early today. I got like so much like things I gotta do. Plus we have Powell speaking, so there's not really a trade. But looks like we came back. Looks like we tapped this buy side, dropped, tapped this 5-minute, and then went up. So we could see some upside here. Let me just drop my fib from here. If price does come back down to this imbalance here, I may look to take a long and target like some sort of high. Let me see. We are in OT of this range. I wanna be your vacuum cleaner. See if price comes back down to this fair value gap though. I'll look to take a long here. Swing low would be like right here. This is a tight swing low here though. But the points are very high. See if we come back down though. Put it at the mean threshold of that order block on the 1 minute. Mean threshold of the order block here. I got you. Should be right here. There we go. Mean threshold of that order block. I got you. Makes sense. See if we can even come back down to this imbalance. Oh, if we come down, tap this, and we get a nice candle to show more upside, I'll look to add another contract, but overlaps perfectly with the old buy side liquidity pool. If it continues higher, it should dip below the old high. Fair enough. This is the old high here. See what happens here. Looks like I don't think we'll get an entry, to be honest with you. Nah, you good, bro. Everyone has those days for real. I think I might go back to Oklahoma City Monday, to be honest with you. I need to see if I work Monday. Oh, I do work Monday. Is that the 8th? Yeah. Well, it looks like we might go ahead and take out this buy side up here. Looking to aim for this buy side up here. Main target. It's the next form of liquidity. If we end up taking this high before coming down to this imbalance, I'm going to take off my limit orders. Go, 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 go. Hesukushi Honoro. She ride a carnival. Okay, looks like we're just going up, bro. Looks like we might take out this buy side here. Let's see if we take it, though. Today's been a long morning for sure. Hold up. Nice rejection off this candle right here. Yeah, brother. Today's just been it's been very bullish, and I was bearish going into today, so it just doesn't add up. Let's see if we take it before this. Just very slowly going up. This seems to be the next draw, though. Feeling low. I gotta pick up some shifts, bro. Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, we just gotta take out this high. Hey, just found you last night. Hey, what's up, Parker? What's up, brother man? I'm gonna get rid of my limit order. Thank you for joining the live stream, bro. Just gonna take out this high. So what I can do, I'm gonna take this gamble right here, low key. After taking this buy side here, we are in a 15-minute fair value gap here. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna look for some sort of retracement back down, potentially to this 50% mark. And this is like my strat that I've been like kind of doing. Tapping to a higher time, tapping into a 15-minute imbalance and looking at a lower time frame chart and entering off of that, rebalancing back to equilibrium. So right now what I'm looking for is a fair value gap, just a bearish fair value gap, and we'll see what happens from there. I can't. No. Let's just see if we can get one though. I'm low-key starving too, low-key. Let's see if we can get a 15-second fair value up here. For that. There we go. So nice downside here. We have a 15 right here. A little fair value gap up here. So if we can create one up here, that would be great. Looks like we have one. Stops up here. Like I said, small losses, but this is play the retracement back down. Main target is this equilibrium, this whole range. Okay, we're tapped. So now we see what would happen here. From this fair value gap, from this retracement, from this last swing low to this right here. So we could, okay, never mind, I lied. We got stopped out. Okay. It's unfortunate. But other than that, that was just a very quick trade. So basically, tap this buy side liquidity, 15-minute imbalance here. I just wanted to see if it will work. Like I said, buy side liquidity swept, and then market structure shift to the downside. Fair value gap here didn't play out very well. I knew we were bullish bias. I knew we were bullish overall time frame, but I just wanted to see if it will work out. Just give it a quick stab. So it's all good though. Looks like I might give shorts another stab here. If we can inverse this fair value up here. Let's see if we can inverse it. Okay, we don't inverse it, but now we just wait. Need to see some form of structure more. We're in a 15-minute fair value gap. We're kind of struggling to go even higher. Nice wick down. That could be the next draw. Hold up. Let me mark out this next draw liquidity. Could be this draw up here. Okay, let's say we were bullish. Do we have SMT divergence anywhere? We do not. But we just wait and see. Let's go on the 30-second here. I want to see this, us inverse this fair value gap here. Still in it. Let's see what this candle does in the next 30 seconds here. Look to enter off this inverse. Plus we have a fair value gap up here. Stops above this high. Alright, look at that. Our entry is still the same from last entry. Alright. We're starting to struggle we're starting to struggle higher. Give shorts another stab here. target a higher time frame imbalance. This could be the next target here. Practice. How many trades do you usually take each week, bro? Dude, I don't even know. This whole week has been just terrible, like trading for me. This is gonna be my last trade though. I just want to play the retracement here. I just want to see what it will do after sweeping out this buy side, also in this 15-minute fair value gap. So I kind of just want to see what would happen here, and I'm paper trading, so I'm trying to see what I can do right and what I'm doing wrong. Yes, we're bullish bias, but we got done sweeping buy side, and we are also in this 15-minute fair value gap. So I just want to see some sort of retracement back down instead of just a straight up move. I just want to see if I have the correct idea for price to come back down and retrace. You are a strong uptrend. I would look for longs from lower. You're right. This is also a strong uptrend. We usually has a pullback, right? So I play the pullback too. I'm gonna play this pullback and see if it works because we're struggling to go higher now. We're wicking off this last buy side liquidity swept, but you're right. I should be looking for longs. That's why I'm targeting this 5-minute fair value gap here to potentially go even higher. I know the RR is not great, but see what happens here. See what happens. Cabinar. If the R is not good, you should not get into the trade, in my opinion. You are absolutely correct, but I just want to see if this will play out though. Maybe next time I can like find a better entry. Maybe this entry up here and have a shorter RR or have a smaller loss but have a bigger win. Because let's say my entry was up here. I could have done my entry up here, but I made sure to enter off of this inverse on this 30-second here. We're getting a market structure shift, which is good on the 1 minute here. I might look to add another position. And profit here. Play the retracement. See what's gonna happen here. Do you have this 1 minute break of structure to the downside here? So I want to see. Let's say this comes down here. The price could come down to to this whole entire equilibrium, this whole range, which wouldn't be bad. So I'm gonna let my runners come down here. And we also do have this 1 minute imbalance up here. I wouldn't be surprised if price came back up here and tapped this 1 minute imbalance. You're right. I'm gonna let my runners come to this equilibrium range here. I might like to add another contract at this fair value gap here. After seeing a reaction off of this fair value gap, I'll look to add another. If the R is not good, you should not get in that trade, in my opinion. I agree. The setups need to come to you. Don't force it. Exactly. No, I get that. But at the same time, what I see right now is buy side getting swept, fair value gap, and everything else. So right now it looks decent in my opinion. Looking to target this whole entire 50% range. Right here is the 50% range of, or this fair value gap, I believe, or right shit here. I'll look to go break even after passing this level here. How old are you, bro? I'm only 19, man. Nice reaction so far. Still haven't tapped this 1 minute imbalance here, so it's kind of iffy. Wouldn't be surprised if price came back up and tapped this though. Because yeah, we're 19 and young, bro. We're trying to escape the matrix type shit. Let me just wait. I want to see us tap this 1 minute and see some sort of reaction, some sort of bearish reaction here. See how this candle closes. I like how it's reacting so far. Nice little shooting star here. Wow, that is the beautiful candle right here. Wow, that was a great reaction. Okay, I don't think I'll add all the way down here. My average would be skewed. Okay, I'll add another one here. Now I'll put my stops above this high, or above this fair value gap block here. So fill is here. Fill got changed. There we go. See what happens here. We just wait. Are you in a funded challenge? I am not in a funded challenge right now. I am paper trading. That's why there's kind of like no emotions. Kind of just waiting to see what kind of see what price action wants to do. I'm kind of just seeing what happened if I did take this retracement back down. So if we get it, I'm gonna move my stops up here. And if we get a candle closure above this fair value gap here, then I'll exit. But other than that, if we don't, I'll stay in it still. We got a candle closure above, but we'll see. I'll see what this next candle does here. Do you have a funded challenge? I do not have a funded challenge anymore. I lost it yesterday when I was trading, and I was like, okay, I think it's time for me to step back and just focus on paper trading, focus on building more conviction, focus on building more confidence. That's what I'm doing right now. This would be your basic 2022 model right here. Buy side swept, break of structure to the downside, liquidity sweep, or in a fair value gap. All right, I'm gonna look to exit this trade right here for a 210 loss here. We got a candle closure above this high. So I'm overall down about 250. I'm overall down about I lost 375, so I'm like down about $700 today. Are you now doing paper trading? Yes, I am now doing paper trading because I've lost too many combines and I need to gain more confidence and more conviction on my trades. So that's why I need to start going paper trading. But yeah, I mean, lost about $700 today on some stupid mistakes. This trade was all right. I should have waited for more validation. This trade right here looks great. I'm not even mad. I didn't even know that we had PMI news here, so that caused market to go in the other fucking direction. But yeah, try going up to the high try going up in high time frames. It's all good. I'm gonna come back a better man tomorrow for sure. 15 minutes is a sweet spot for me. Exactly. This is a 50. Like this trade, these shorts can still work out. That's the thing. We sweep up these highs. 15-minute fair value gap here also in line, and I exited pretty early, or pretty just like valid, I guess, because we got a candle closure above this high. I should have let my stops. I should have just let it hit my stops, but at the same time we were a very bullish trend, and I was just playing the retracement. So also showing the trend helps. Yeah, Zach, I was, like I said, I was bearish bias going into it before market even happened. We were bearish on the 4-hour, bearish on the hourly, bearish on the 15-minute. So that's why I took these shorts, and I was trying to take these shorts for legit just retracement. But I should have waited for price to come down and type a higher time frame imbalance like a 15-minute here, and play the longs and target this buy side up here. But other than that, guys, I have to head out. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you for everyone for joining. I appreciate you all for even trying to help. Today was not the best. Didn't do as well as I wanted to. But other than that, I'll